Today we will show 3 natural homemade face scrub recipes with sugar in a very simple way. Sugar contains glycolic acid. Its moisturizing property encourages cell turnover for youthful looking skin. Its small particles make a great exfoliant. Now we are adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of raw honey. We all know honey is a natural antioxidant. So, this DIY combination will really be helpful for a face exfoliator. You can use it twice a week. You can also make it in large quantities and use it for the whole body. It will make your skin clear, soft and supple naturally within some days. This time we will show the third remedy. It's just as easy as the previous one. Here again we will take 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. If you need more, you can keep the ratio the same and take more. Now we have chosen coconut oil as the second ingredient. We all know this coconut oil can deeply moisturizes and has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties to heal and soothe. So, an exfoliating scrub made in a mixture of these 2 ingredients will make our skin flawless and glowing day by day. Best result does not require many ingredients. Just the right combination of some good ingredients can make this remedy more effective. Now we will show the third DIY exfoliating scrub. Again we'll take 2 to 3 teaspoons of granulated sugar into a bowl. Today we are showing those 3 remedies that we have used and got good results. Here we have chosen plain yogurt as the second ingredient, which contains complexion brightening lactic acid. Also, its application can retain your skin's moisture and also help in reducing the appearance of acne and wrinkles. You can also apply this mixture like a mask and let it rest on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it with cool water.